You've finally decided to buy a new computer. You've compared specs, read reviews, maybe even argued with a friend about Intel versus AMD. But then comes the million-dollar question. Where should you actually buy it? Online? Cheaper deals? Endless options? In-store? You get to touch it, test it, feel it. Here's the truth. Choosing where to buy your computer can be just as important as choosing which one to buy. Because the wrong place can cost you more money, more time, and a lot more frustration than you expect. So, let's break down how to find the right computer at the right price, without getting burned. Let's start with what most people do these days. Buy online. You've got hundreds of models, prices that make your wallet breathe, and reviews from people who've actually used the thing for 6 months. Amazon, Best Buy, Newegg, even the brand sites like Dell or Apple. They're all fighting for your click. But there's a catch. You can't actually feel the machine. You can't tell if that keyboard feels cheap or if the screen's too dim for your liking. And if you buy from a sketchy seller, that too good to be true deal might literally be too good to be true. Then there's in-store shopping. Walk into Best Buy, open 5 laptops, type a fake email, tilt the screen, boom, you know if it feels right. No shipping stress, no "where's my package?" anxiety. Downside? Here's what most people don't realize. Stores have limited stock, higher prices. And that salesperson? They're not your friend. They're on commission. Suddenly, you're walking out with a $300 warranty you'll never use. And don't ignore Costco, Sam's Club, or Walmart. Costco, for example, gives you extra warranty and hassle-free returns, something that's rare these days. The real pro move? Blend both worlds. Hit up a store to test drive a few options. Get a feel for that 15-inch screen versus a compact 13-incher. Then jump online to score the same model cheaper from a trusted spot. Now, where exactly should you look? The chapter outlines the safe zones. We're talking giants like Amazon and Best Buy, but you have to know how to shop them. For example, did you know that open box deals at places like Best Buy or certified refurbished from Apple are basically secret cheat codes? The book explains that these are often practically brand new machines returned because someone didn't like the color, yet they're discounted heavily. But be careful. There is a massive difference between manufacturer refurbished and just used. One comes with a warranty, the other is a gamble. Look, knowing where to buy is half the battle. But do you know when to buy? We talked about the hybrid move and avoiding scams, but there is a specific timing strategy mentioned in the full book regarding product cycles and seasonal sales that can literally save you another 20% on top of the deal you just found. There's also a whole section on how to decipher those confusing warranty terms so you don't pay for protection you don't need. If you want the full breakdown, including the specific checklist to bring with you to the store so you never get outsmarted by a salesperson, you need to check out the full book. Don't let your next computer be a regret. Grab the book, arm yourself with the right info, and buy that brain, not just the brand. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.